What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, if you still remember at the Madlanga Commission, General Mkwanazi, in that chart that he revealed on the screen, he referred to certain media outlets as agents of misinformation. So, he just left it there. And yesterday, at the ad hoc committee, in his closing remarks, General Mkwanazi went a step further, and asked like for an investigation, by the Joint Standing Committee into the specific role, that certain journalists play. He didn't name them, but identified their publications. These are the News 24, City Press, and the Sunday Times. Amazing. So these are not just your ordinary media outlets, these are reputable media outlets with a huge reputation, and he named them, News 24, City Press, and the Sunday Times. So connecting the dots in the Madlanga Commission, he said some of these journalists, they are agents of misinformation. And on social media, there are some names being thrown out there of some of these journalists, who are writing articles about Mkwanazi, saying he has no evidence, etc. And General Mkwanazi seems, to be having files on some of these media houses. And I think, there might be a war here with this publication that is going to be coming out, trying to discredit General Mkwanazi or something. But General Mkwanazi, he has everything prepared. So these are some of the good things, that were actually brought by social media. And it is that the narrative in itself is no longer controlled by the media. It's shifting, to various people. It's like people are now in control of the narrative. So this is General Mkwanazi also taking control of the narrative. I'll catch you guys on the next one.